In the rarefied world of hypercars, where performance meets artistry, Pagani stands as a beacon of innovation and craftsmanship. The latest creation to emerge from its Modena headquarters is the Pagani Huayra Epitome, a testament to the pursuit of automotive perfection blending heritage with cutting-edge technology. At the heart of the Huayra Epitome lies a masterpiece of engineering, a twin-turbocharged V12 engine that unleashes a symphony of power and precision. Meticulously crafted to deliver exhilarating performance, this marvel of modern engineering propels the Huayra Epitome from 0 to 60 miles per hour in mere seconds, with a top speed that defies conventional limits. What sets the Huayra Epitome apart, however, is its reverence for tradition amidst a sea of technological advancements. In a bold move rarely seen in modern hypercars, Pagani offers enthusiasts the choice of a 7-speed manual transmission, a homage to driving purity and tactile engagement. This manual gearbox, crafted with precision and finesse, allows drivers to fully immerse themselves in the Huayra Epitome's unrivaled performance, shifting gears with seamless control and exhilaration. Visually, the Huayra Epitome is a work of art in motion. Its aerodynamic profile and sculpted lines exude a sense of dynamic fluidity, hinting at the speed and agility it commands. Carbon fiber accents, meticulously woven by Pagani's artisans, adorn its body, enhancing both aesthetics and performance with lightweight strength. Step inside the cockpit of the Huayra Epitome, and the experience is nothing short of extraordinary. Luxurious leather and alcantara envelop every surface, while bespoke details and personalized touches create a bespoke ambience tailored to the owner's preferences. A state-of-the-art infotainment system, seamlessly integrated with the latest in connectivity and entertainment, ensures that every journey is as exhilarating as it is luxurious. Beyond its technical prowess and aesthetic splendor, the Pagani Huayra Epitome represents a pinnacle of automotive achievement. It embodies Pagani's unwavering commitment to pushing boundaries and surpassing expectations, delivering a driving experience that transcends mere transportation to become a visceral connection between man and machine. As enthusiasts eagerly await its debut on the world stage, the Huayra Epitome stands poised to redefine what is possible in the realm of hypercar excellence. It is more than a vehicle, it is a symbol of passion, innovation, and the relentless pursuit of automotive perfection that defines Pagani as a mark. With each curve and contour meticulously honed to perfection, the Huayra Epitome invites all to witness the fusion of tradition and technology in a breathtaking display of automotive artistry.